Salt.
Lime.
Sea salt.
Sweet potatoes.
Garlic.
Onions.
I don't know, I think it's just, especially with seafood, I think it's just the perfect ingredient. You know, there's other things like olive oil and salt, you know, but lime I think is my favorite ingredient to work with.
I love sea salt, especially Malden flake sea salt, and lemon zest or lemon juice. Because it brightens all of your flavors. I really think it just finishes everything off beautifully.
I like to go more of like a savory route with our desserts, where you can definitely taste the salt, and that's one of the, I feel, compliments that I get when people taste our desserts. They're like, it's not a sugar bomb, it's not super, super sweet.
I think for me, it started with my grandmother's sweet potato pies and, you know, her sweet potato casserole. I still love the vegetable, but it's such a sweet and delicious thing that I can't go without.
For savory cooking, I would say probably garlic and citrus. Garlic is one of those ingredients that I feel like you can manipulate in so many different ways. We use it raw in some of our different like chimichurris, and we have a couple chutneys where we use it raw in there. We also use it roasted, which you can get a really nice sweetness out of it.
I put onions in because it tastes so good. I would say garlic too, because I love those two combinations together. It's a great ingredients, great aromatics, and it's great for all cuisines, because I cook Asian food and I cook American food.